Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewheelsocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make Snapchat shortcut for streaks. Would you like to make shortcut for your streaks on Snapchat? You can easily do it. Just follow these steps and you will learn how. Open Snapchat app on your mobile phone and log into your Snapchat account. Take a new snap. Now proceed by clicking on Send to. Click on the search bar at the top and click on Create Shortcut button. Click on Choose Emoji at the top and choose any emoji from your keyboard. Now select people which you would like to add to your streak shortcut. Then tap on Create Shortcut button at the bottom and your shortcut will be created. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make Snapchat shortcut for streaks. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewheelsocial.com.